He's making a video.
This is me, and this is when I'm not a crazy homo. Although I am not gay.
Okay.
I wear a Hollister. It's pretty cool, I guess. I'm bird watching in my living room right now, and so far I haven't had much luck. Oh my fucking god! It's a bird! It's a bird! Right freaking there!
What?
Did you all saw that bird, right?
Yeah.
I'm not drunk enough. That was a friggin' bird. You are all just beautiful fans, and I'll give y'all kisses. Ready?
Don't say it.
And for all you hate us, this is what I really want to do. Yeah, and I also have an idea. Ding, 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 ding. That's if I find another bird, I'm probably gonna end up shooting it. I do have a Nerf gun right here. So when a bird comes by, I'm going to shoot it. Damn bird on my property, I'll tell you. There's a fucking bird right there. Oh, shit, I missed it. Damn it. Fuck. Well, that was my bird watching video.